Don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon for notifications of future videos. You will need a sewing machine. Here we've used the 19S sewing machine from Hobbycraft, fat quarters, pins, tape measure, an iron, thread, fabric pen, scissors, safety pins, and fusible fleece. You will need 2 fat quarters for the outer fabrics, 2 fat quarters for the lining, and 1 fat quarter for the handles, and 1 fusible fleece batting. Using the outer fabric, cut 2 squares measuring 16 by 20 inches. Repeat this with the lining fabric and fusible fleece. For the bag handles, cut 2 5 inches by 12 inches of fabric. Iron the fabric. Begin by fusing your fleece to both outer pieces of your bag. To make the handles, fold your fabric in half lengthways with wrong sides together and iron a crease in place. Next, open the fabric back out and fold the raw edges in to meet the centre crease line and iron in place. Then refold on the centre crease line to enclose both raw edges inside. Repeat with your second handle before top stitching. For the large tote bag, measure in 8 inches from each side and baste your handles into place. Match the outer pieces together, pin and sew along the sides and bottom. Repeat this with the inner pieces, ensuring you leave a small gap at the bottom. Cut 2 squares 1 inch by 1 inch, either side of the bottom of the bag, on both the inner and the outer fabrics. Fold the gap where the square has been cut in half and stitch. Repeat for each corner. Turn the inner lining the right way out. Insert your inner lining inside the outer fabric layer. Ensure you push the handles inwards. Pin and sew in a simple straight stitch along the top of the bag using a 2 cm seam allowance. Use the hole you left in the inner fabric, pull the bag through. Then sew up the hole on the inner fabric. Top stitch the top of the bag to give it a neat edge. Your bag is now complete.